फ्रॉग पोयम। बच्चों, हमने टेक्सचुअल तो देख लिया है। अब हम थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की ओर मुड़ेंगे। मैं रचना मैम आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। स्टैंडर्ड फिफ्थ हम देख रहे हैं, फिफ्थ पोएम जो हमारी इस सेशन की लास्ट पोएम है। हु इज़ फेड? फेड इज़ अ लेजी डॉग। सेकेंड, वेयर डज फेड LOL? Write the meaning of LOL. Lie around lazily on the log. What does Fred manage to shrink? Fred managed to shrink every stroke of work. तो कोई काम करने के लिए उनको राजी नहीं है वो। Which word in the above lines mean trunk of a tree that has been cut? तो वो है log. Write the meaning of shrink and make a sentence with it. So not to do something, you should go. He never shrinks from doing his work. तो to not do something, you should do. तो करना नहीं, स्किप करना, उसको भी कहते हैं श्रिंक करना। Fred's mother calls are in vain. Whose mother's calls are in vain? Second question, why does he not bother? Fred is very lazy and he does not want to do a single work, so he does not bother. तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखने हैं बच्चों। फिर है which of the following words means in vain? D, uselessly. Make a sentence with prefer and I write its meaning. Like something better, I prefer to go to school by bus. Which phrase in the above lines mean to be deaf? Hard of hearing. What would one expect a frog to do when a lady frog hops away? When a lady frog hops past him, one should expect that the frog should get up and bow and help the lady frog. What does the word blow means? The word blow means that to bend your head to show respect. When the lady frog passed from the lady shop, he does not even get to open his eyes. तो जब वो फ्रॉग लेडी वहाँ से गुजरी तो इन्होंने आंखें भी नहीं खोली। What does the lazy frog respond towards a lady frog? Make the poet feel. The lazy frog responds towards the lady frog, makes the poet feel that it's very hard who do not follow the respect towards ladies. तो जो लोग रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते लेडीज़ के लिए, उनके लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल है। Did you feel like the frog's behavior? No, I didn't like the frog's behavior at all. What did the frog used to do all day? The frog used to LOL all day on a log. 67. Next, the frog was deaf frog. Besides lazy, the other word can think of the describe the frog. तो वो है circus, impolite. When the frog's mother called him, he pretended that he is hard of hearing. When a lady frog hops last, the lady frog doesn't open up his eyes. Write the words which rhyme with the given words. तो वो है smog, perk, rain, tearing, jib, vast, prey, Mention any things that you can like or 5 things that you don't. तो आपको पेज नंबर 70 पे बच्चों लिखना है क्या आपको पसंद है और क्या आपको नहीं पसंद। ठीक है, तो चलिए लिखते हैं कौन सी बातें आपको पसंद है, कौन सी नहीं पसंद है। फिर है पेज नंबर नेक्स्ट। Who was the first runner? John was the first runner. John's teacher said to this. John teacher praised him for his hard work. तो यहाँ पे जॉन की स्टोरी है और वो टाइम पूरा प्रैक्टिसिंग में लगा देते थे और वो अपने आप को कहते थे कि आई विल विन द रेस, और लेजीनेस उनमें विल कॉस्ट यू ग्रेटली, टीचर ने बोला था। तो जॉन लाफ्ड और फिर क्लास में पार्टिसिपेशन हुआ रेस का। ही वॉज नॉट फर्स्ट रनर, however he was very dedicated and practiced a lot. So at last the sports day arrived. Tom came ahead and John reached the finishing line. Tom received the trophy. तो टीचर बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुई टॉम पे, और टैलेंट विदाउट हार्ड वर्किंग इज यूजलेस। तो जॉन लर्न दैट टैलेंट विदाउट हार्ड वर्क इज यूजलेस। Give a suitable title to the story. Hard work beats talent. If talent doesn't work hard, fill in the blanks. Choosing correct words from the bracket. तो वो है it is bad to steal others' belongings. She feels stirred and hard itself. I learned a valuable lesson from the story. तो बहुत अच्छे। फिर लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट फिफ्थ वाला, यू कैन पीक ओवर द हैंड्स एंड द, तो पीक करना, देखना गार्डन पे अदर साइड। इफ़ यू हैंडल इट रफली यू विल डेफिनेटली ब्रेक इट। इट इज़ अ बैड हैबिट टू स्टेयर एट समबडी, किसी को देखना। इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड happy to be able to solve the sum of mathematics. My right heel is paining a lot. He reached the peak of the mountain. He said bye before leaving. Medicine will surely lessen your pain. I never thought you will die so soon. I requested the doctor to heal me soon. Unfortunately, he was punished due to my mistake. In the emergency, you have to press the brake immediately. Those rods are made of steel. Diya mixed red dye और उन्होंने ब्लू ये पर्पल बनाया। I am going to the market to buy a cake. Can I borrow some sugar? You can have dewdrops, कुछ बूंदे early in the morning। तो ये चीज़ है। इसके साथ हमारा ये कार्यक्रम ख़त्म होता है बच्चों। मिलते हैं 70 पेज ख़त्म, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में। Winkle and Winkle, bye bye, see you, happy learning।